requested me if I could curate. And then we talk about the title, Brand X. There are a lot of ideas revolving around the theme on alternative art, something unconventional. You brand things today, but luckily by the next generation, they would look at it as the in thing.